Welcome to another Hooptech how-to. Today we are going to show you how to use our shoe clamp. Embroiderers have told us in the past that embroidering on shoes can be very difficult because the shoe tends to shift around during sewing. This clamp is made very heavy duty to hold onto the shoe while there's a sewing arm inside of it moving it around. This clamp can do anything from Toms to Converse to boots or even soccer cleats. We are using a Tajima, but our clamps work on many different industrial machine makes and models. To begin, we will attach the clamp to the machine. Simply slide it onto your rail and tighten down the 2 screws. Make sure that the clamp is laying flat on the sewing arm. If it needs to be adjusted because it's sitting too high, loosen the screws in the back on the adapter bracket and push the clamp down. Tighten the screws with an Allen wrench. Depending on the thickness of the shoe, you won't need to use backing in some cases. Slide your shoe onto the clamp and turn the wheel down until it's tight. When it's tight, give it another slight turn to make sure it's extra tight. Do a trace to make sure your design fits safely within the window. Now you can begin sewing. Thanks for watching. Check out our Instagram and Facebook for more.